The air above the Earth's surface is divided into different layers. The temperature of the air at different heights above sea level and the positions of the different layers are shown in this graph. According to the graph, the lowest temperature normally reached in the mesosphere is 105 degrees, 50 degrees, 2 degrees, or 95 degrees. In this question, we're concerned with a particular layer of the atmosphere, specifically the mesosphere, and that's this section here, between 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface and 80 kilometers above the Earth's surface. And what are we looking for here? We're trying to look for the lowest temperature normally reached. So, the lowest temperature, if you look at this scale down the bottom, is the one that's furthest to the left, right? So in the mesosphere, we look at this line that represents temperature, and we go at which point is it furthest to the left? Well, that would be at this point here. From this point, we need to read what that exact temperature is. So we need to rule a line. Straight line, straight down, and then read off the graph from the units axis what that is. Now, that is more than halfway between 80 and 100, so that'd be just above negative 90 degrees Celsius. And D fits that perfectly, at negative 95 degrees Celsius. Our answer here is indeed D.